can come on over if you want to. We can watch some TV, watch some Netflix if you want. You can come on over if you want to. We can do whatever we want to, baby. I've been missing you like crazy lately, but I don't think you feel the same thing, baby. Or maybe you do, 'cause you love me like this.
Hello my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel and happy holidays. Hope you guys celebrate your Christmas very good. Thank God for everything. So in today's video I'll be doing some little decorating that flower. I have to change it and put a new one, and also be tidying up the house. I hope you stay tuned and join me. Let us do all this together. So for me to be able to put the flower, I have to use a ladder to climb up and put up the flower. So I'm trying to put those flowers. My husband was the one that got these flowers, but I don't like the look he gave to the living room. This is our first living room and we hardly stay in this living room, so I want to see if I can put some, to beautify the living room more. So I'm changing the whole flower, trying to put another new ones I got from other stores. Hello dear, if this is your first time coming across my channel, you're welcome. I'm glad to have you here. My name is Jennifer. I'm a wife, a mother of two. I do cleaning video, mom lifestyle and organizing. Please, if this kind of content you like, I would like you to hit that notification bell and subscribe so you don't miss when I make a new upload. And for all my friends, my returning subscribers, you guys are awesome. Without you I wouldn't have been here. God bless you all for always being around me and also checking on me. Thank you so much for all your support. Back then in my country, Nigeria, I used to climb heights. I used to climb all kinds of trees, to get some fruits, anything. It was fun to me. But I realized since I came to America and I started having my kids, I noticed I started having phobia of height. I don't really know why. Is it because of the environment or because of motherhood? So at this time, I was a little phobia of the height. I was thinking I'm gonna fall, but I keep on pushing that I can do it. So I don't know why I started having that phobia of height. And I also noticed my son also like to climb heights. Wherever he see anything high or he kind of place a ladder, he always like to climb on it. He was also climbing on the ladder. It's just that I edited that part. I didn't want to show it. I really need you guys' opinion. What do you guys think about the before and after? Because if these flowers are not good, I have to change them. So your opinions really matters, because if they are not good, if the colors are not the correct colors, I have to change them. Please drop your comments. I would like to have your opinions. So you remember in my previous video when I was doing my Christmas decoration, I told you guys how I don't like to decorate this open space because it's a lot of work. I have to decorate the other second living room and also decorate this part. So we are working on it. Very soon we will start renovating this place. I have to put like a shelf. As you can see me flipping up this decor, I'm trying to figure out the right position where I can place all this decor.
Off all the bad vibes.
As you can see, these couch, they are all dirty. I have to clean them up. My son spilled some milk and ice cream on them, so they really need thorough cleaning. So in my today's cleaning, the product I'm using to do my cleaning is Fabulosa Long Lasting Freshness. I just did a short video on this product. I started using this product since 2 weeks now. Oh my god, it's so fantastic. The smell is so lovely. It's so lovely. It smells days in the house. So that's what I'm using. I don't have to start buying air freshener, it's so affordable. I so much love the smell it gives to our house. So lovely.
Your persona, I just wanna be real with you tonight. Can I have you alone now? I just wanna reveal what's on my mind. You tell me that you're used to no feelings, but I'm gonna change it. Yeah, you'll be awakened. Cause when my love starts working on you, it'll take your breath away like never before. And as soon as I go na 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 na, it'll make you feel that good love working on you, on you. You got a bad reputation. People tell me your heart is cold as ice, but I think you're amazing. I will show you the art of paradise. You tell me that you're used to no dreaming, but I'm gonna change it. Yeah, I'll take you straight to Wonderland. Cause when my love starts working on you, it'll take your breath away like never before. And as soon as I go na 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 na, it'll make you feel that good love working on you, on you, on you, on you, on you. You're leaving me out in the rain when I try to reach you. I know it's hard to break through the chains, but I'm gonna teach you. I'm gonna reach you. Cause when my Cause when my Cause when my Cause when my
Today's cleaning is a double work for me because the kids, they were also giving me they were doubling my work. Can see I fixed the whole decorative pillow, but you can see some of those pillows on the floor. They keep undoing everything I did, and I was very pissed off, but I realized that that's their stage, so I don't have to get upset with it. I have to deal with them, and I keep doing it. There is something I realized some days. My mom used to tell me, hey, you can't finish a house chores. House chores keep increasing. And I remember one of my subscribers, what's her name? Her name is Mars. She said something, you can never finish a house chores. It keep increasing. And when my mom said this, I didn't kind of read meaning into it, but when she said that, when one of my subscribers said that, and I reflected what my mom used to tell me, you can never finish a house chores, either it keep increasing. I'm so surprised how we women are so strong. We keep pushing everything. We have to do things, attend to the kids, tidy up things, cook, everything. And I just thank God for God giving us such strength. We are really powerful women, because believe me, I'm just saying out of my own experience, it's not easy being a mother. A lot of challenges. You know, you have to attend to everything, their needs. You know, you guys mothers, you guys understand what I'm saying. And I want to encourage every mother there. We are not alone. We're all in this together. Keep pushing. It's just a little moment. We'll get over it. Probably you saw what happened to me while I was cleaning this coffee table. The glass table was so dirty. There are some hidden dirty under it, so I decided to clean them off. But all of a sudden it kind of shifted, but I was extremely careful to place it back, because this coffee table is a two-hand people that can fix it back. But luckily to me, I was able to fix it back, and I was happy it didn't break. I want to thank you for coming over to watch my video. I so much appreciate it. Thank you so much for coming over. Please stay safe and see you all in my next video. Love you all. Bye.